Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing this whole new Ring alarm system with Large. It comes with a whole new keypad system. It's got 2 motion detectors, 3 contact sensors, 1 indoor cam and an outdoor siren. So I've got this whole big thing going on today. So let's quickly try to unpack this bit first. So I'm gonna have a look into it and see what we can do. But yeah, I think it's going to be a brilliant piece of kit for the house. So now I'm going to quickly unpack this. Bit precarious trying to unpack this with only one hand, but I'm sure it can be done. Okay, so that's out now. And let's try to take this bit out. Okay, so that's out as well. Now the sleeve comes out. Here's the box. There's a leftover sticker here, so I'm going to take it out and just leave it there for now. And let's try and figure out how to open this box. Okay. Right, there's another little tiny sticker, so I'm going to try to take that out now. I might quickly go and grab a scissor. Okay, got a scissor.